Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare dates and walnuts cake. Come, let's see the ingredients. These ingredients are for 2 kg cake. We need 500 grams of Maida, 1 kg of dates, 400 grams of walnuts, 8 eggs, 500 grams of sugar, powder it, 500 grams of butter, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, 4 teaspoons of baking powder.
Let's start the preparation. Heat 100 ml of water. Add 3 teaspoons of baking soda. As a first step, we need to soak the dates overnight. Cut the dates into smaller pieces. Once it starts to boil, mix the water with dates and keep it overnight. To prepare sugar caramel, heat 50 grams of sugar from 500 grams. Once sugar melts and turns black, add 100 ml of water. Let it cool. Add 4 teaspoons of baking powder to Maida and sift thrice using sifter. Separate egg yolk from white and keep it. Beat egg white using beater separately. Beat egg yolk using beater separately. Beat the butter till it turns light and fluffy. Add powdered sugar and beat it. Add egg yolk and beat it. Add little egg white and Maida, mix it and continue the same. The batter becomes stiff, add little milk to smoothen it. Add sugar caramel and mix it. In other side, add 1 teaspoon of Maida to walnuts and mix it. This is to avoid walnuts from settling down. After applying Maida, mix the walnuts with the soaked dates. Now mix the dates walnuts mixture with the butter batter. Now batter is ready. Apply ghee and Maida to the baking tray. Place the butter paper over the baking tray. Preheat oven at 180 degrees. Pour batter into baking tray and bake for 1 hour.
Yummy! Cake is ready! Please try this recipe and share your views in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.